A very warm welcome to one and all present here. Today, we have come together on this virtual platform to talk about the pandemic that the world is suffering. With the festive season round the corner, we must remember a few precepts to keep ourselves safe from the deadly virus. We at Aspi Nutan Academy believe in unity and we believe together we can overcome this pandemic and keep ourselves and our loved ones safe. It is important to guide our students on safety precautions to keep the virus at bay. Always cover the mouth and nose with flexed elbow or tissue when coughing or sneezing and immediately wash your hands. Remember to dispose the tissues in a dustbin which has a lid. Avoid venturing in closed places like malls and showrooms. Wear masks when a visitor comes home. Maintain social distancing with people. Instead of shaking hands and hugging, let's do namaste. Aakhir Diwali hai. Be the change you want to see in the world, said Gandhiji. Parents, it is very important that we practice what we preach, as it will set an example for our children to follow. Here we have a few precautionary measures that will help us keep the virus at bay. Let's follow these 5 steps to help stop coronavirus. Wash your hands, cough on your elbow, don't touch your face, stay 3 feet apart, and if you're feeling sick, stay at home. Let's ensure we follow these steps while washing hands and give a tough fight to the invisible enemy. Let us support these angels who work day in and day out to help us and do our bit for the community. Diwali is the festival we all love to celebrate. The malls, the restaurants, and other means of entertainment have opened their doors to welcome us. But we must remember to celebrate with precaution. This Diwali, let's gift ourselves and our loved ones the precious gift of safety. Dear students, there are many people who work behind the scenes to make Aspi Nutan Academy the best place to be. We have requested them to address you on this occasion. So let's listen from Dr. Sochak, the president of Aspi Nutan Academy, followed by Mr. Kiran Patel, the chairman of Aspi Nutan Academy, and our dearest principal, Mrs. Nuzhat Khan.
Hello children, I am Dr. Anil Sochak and I am going to talk to you about COVID-19. You must all be wondering why has everything in our world changed so suddenly, and you must also be wondering when will things go back to normal. We don't know for sure yet, but what I can tell you is that the best, brightest and most intelligent minds in medicine and science are working on it day and night to find the cure and vaccine for COVID-19. So leave this job in the best of the hands and pray to God. This vaccine will be available in few months' time and it will be a game changer. You must even be feeling some new emotions during this time. Please talk about your feelings to your parents or family members you can trust, or even to your teacher. You are not alone. I hear that many of you have also been helpful to your parents around the house, and that is amazing. I am proud of you. You all transitioned so well to the online school and are being so sincere to your studies. You are all precious and each one of you is unique and important to this world. You must remember that you are living through history and you are doing an amazing job. Kids, I am going to share with you some tips to help you to become a hero. Because there is something you can do to protect yourself and your family. Have you noticed that your body has a magical ability to heal itself when you fall down or get hurt or have a flu? Is that magical? Yes, it is. Children, you have something called immunity, which is what fights outside infections and heals your body. we can make this immunity stronger. I will tell you what you can do and how you can be a hero and a leader. Wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds many times a day. Remember not to touch your face. Do not share your food, cup, drinks or utensils with other children. Wear an N95 mask all the time whenever you go out. Wear a mask if someone who does not live with you enters your home. Keep a safe distance of 6 feet from people. Eat well, eat fruits and your greens and your sabji, even if you don't like it. It strengthens your immunity. What you eat, you become. Get 30 minutes of exercise at home, running around with your siblings, dog, or do yoga, aerobics, etc. Drink plenty of water. Being hydrated keeps you energetic and helps clean your body of all toxins. Have your vitamins, calcium, and medicines without fussing. Remind your parents daily if they forget. Drink milk, eat dahi. Vitamin D3 and vitamin C have been proven to boost your immunity against COVID-19. You can sit in sunlight in the morning for about 20 to 30 minutes. It is rich in vitamin D3. Even Superman gets his energy from the sun. Model good practices like sneezing and coughing into your elbow. If you feel sick, tell your family and stay home and visit your doctor. Do not tease anyone about being sick. Free book online, My Hero is You. This is by Helen Patak, where you will find many tips to deal with COVID-19. This book has internationally been recommended by WHO. And most importantly, if you or anyone in your family or friends get COVID-19, don't worry. With good rest and good treatment, a complete recovery is seen in 98% of the cases. Stay happy and have fun. Don't forget to play. This is the most important, as studies have shown, proven that happiness boosts your immunity. Be happy and be healthy. A single piece of advice: pray to God and never give up. Trust that your prayers are being heard and will be answered in one way or another. We are all in this together and we will fight it and we will win. हम होंगे कामयाब. Thank you for your time and attention. God bless you all and your family. Jai Hind.
Dear parents, my greetings to you for this festival season. Our festival season has already begun from Dussehra Day, and soon we will be celebrating Diwali and New Year. My humble request to all my dear parents that please do not go in a crowd during the festival season with your children, and also avoid going out, eating outside food, and as far as possible restrict your activities within your house so that you do not face any health problem due to COVID. We are all worried, and we have seen that number of cases at times increases and at times it goes down also. But that's not in our hand. What is in our hand is we can restrict our activities. So my humble request to all of you, and I also wish all my parents a very happy Diwali and New Year in advance. Thank you.
Greetings from Aspi Nutan Academy. On behalf of management, myself, faculty members, and each and everyone at Aspi Nutan Academy, I send you out greetings for this lovely favorite season of ours, also favorite because we get a good number of holidays. Dear parents, it's almost been half year, the midterm has arrived, and we are all set to start the second term from November end. As we close this year and we break for our Diwali vacation, I would like to spread out a message to you on this Diwali to make it a little more special, make it different than what it used to be before. In the past, we have celebrated Diwali with friends, relatives, everyone in the premise, everyone in the society. It used to be a very elaborate affair. We have burned crackers, we have prepared sweets, distributed sweets, done everything possible to make it as glamorous, as big as we can. But this year is a different year. It has sailed smoothly for us. It's because we have been confined to our doors. But now with the festive season coming up, the lockdown being lifted slowly and gradually, things moving faster, I think life is getting normalized. But let's not forget that COVID is still there. It still exists, and our one mistake can make the entire situation worse. So let's remember our duty towards a society. What does God want? Sometimes I feel that God just wants us to be simple. He doesn't want a very big offering. He is not materialistic. What He wants, or what Goddess wants, is a simple offering in terms of prayers, where family members join their hands, bow themselves, and pray and give their respect to the Almighty. The offerings can be small in terms of homemade sweets or some kind of special delicacies, some fruits, flowers. It may not be a very elaborate affair. Have we ever offered crackers to God? No, we have never done that. Crackers are for human because they want to pollute the atmosphere. God doesn't want any destruction to the mankind and to the world. And so He asks us, or she asks us, to just offer a small diya. That is what God wants from us. They do not want a very big offering. Where does this big offering then go? God is this year guiding us. Whatever amount you may have kept for buying crackers or sweets or any big kind of things that you thought were very essential, materialistic, I think it's time we give it a thought. We collect all that money and we buy gifts, clothes, sweets for those homes where Diwali will be celebrated gloomily in case if there is no help rendered. Look out for people who need help. Look out for people who need support in case if there is no help rendered. Look out for people who need help. Look out for people who need support. Contribute and donate money for COVID fund. This is the way we can make this Diwali very special. Let us be confined to indoors. The COVID situation is yet not completely handled. COVID virus still exists. We can fight it and throw it out of our country only by maintaining social distancing, following the social protocols, the precepts and protocols laid down by the HRD Ministry of India. If we do that, very soon we can all resume our regular routine work. I think if COVID goes out of the country, we won't have a problem sending children to school. And children would love to do that. They would love to come back to school, isn't it? So dear parents, my humble request, we have prepared this beautiful PPT. Whatever instructions and guidance and suggestions are being laid down through this, I want you to spread it out to whoever you know. I want you to follow them for this Diwali and make it a very special event. We look forward to you coming back in the second term, hale and hearty. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless your families. God bless the world. Thank you.
I'm sure we will celebrate this festival by keeping in mind all the precautions that have to be taken. So let's take a pledge to be safe. And we must never forget one thing, that social distancing is temporary, but love is permanent. Thank you and stay safe.